Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 3, the final lesson, Lesson 10, working with pivot chart styles. So with the Sales Pivot Chart Styles workbook open, select the Sheet 2 tab and click a blank area of the pivot chart to select it. Click the Chart Styles icon displayed to the right of the pivot chart title. Chart Styles. Let me do this. Okay. Alright, so click this, click the chart styles icon displayed, point to the cursor at some of the chart styles icons and observe the live preview effect. So if you just look at the different types, you can see that it has different types, looks different. Click Style 7 to select it. Okay, that is Style 7. Click the Color tab right up here. Point the cursor over some of the color options and observe the effect on the chart. So you can see that what it does as you look at different ones. Click the chart styles icon again to close the, so click that. Examine some of the pivot chart designs options on the ribbon. Click design and just look at some of these different options. On the pivot chart design tab in the chart styles group, click change colors. So we're going to click change colors over here. Notice that the options you see here are the same as that you accessed on the color tab in the chart styles menu that we just did. On the pivot table design tab in the chart styles group, click the more button. Views the various chart styles available. Notice that these options are the same as the ones you access in the Style tab in the Chart Styles window. So it's basically telling you that you can click this Design tab and you can click this button right here and it gives you the same thing. More than one way to do things. Click on a blank area of the worksheet to choose the Chart Styles gallery. Submit. Let me mark it as answered. Submit. Submit results. And congratulations, we are now finished with pivot charts and pivot tables.